An ambition in my life since I've been, I say about 12, when I first went off to Old Trafford. I said one day I want to live in Manchester, and finally now, on June the 3rd, that ambition of mine is coming true. If I don't get over once a month, I start cracking up. I start getting narky with myself, and I don't have to get over about once a month. If I don't get over once a month, I'm lost. It is an obsession, obviously, you know. So it's such a history to have. Maybe that's it.
Now you're there for life. Have you got a job over there?
I have, yeah. I'm a barman by trade, and I'll be going into the bar trade over there, yeah. So in Sale, it's 2 miles from Old Trafford. Bus ride away, so we're all set.
Who are your favourite players?
Eric, Nicky Butt. I love Nicky Butt. I think Nicky Butt is brilliant. I think he's going to be an England international within 2 years. And Eric Cantona is just fantastic. And it's great that he's finally said he'd stay. And you have to admire Manchester United for sticking by him, and you've got to admire Eric Cantona for not going over and taking money. He's stuck by it, and he's shown that Manchester is the biggest and best city in the world. Football is what I live on. Just football, you know. Football comes first. Everything after that is second.
Girlfriend?
No, you can't. You have one love. I have one love in life, Manchester United, and you can't put women before that. No way.